Everyone, this is Danish Rafiq, and in this video we will talk about the syllabus and topics of environmental studies for the students of Jammu University. And in this video we will also talk about the pattern of examination of environmental studies for the students of Jammu University. The course code of environmental studies is UES-TS 104. The first unit that we have in environmental studies is the environment and ecosystem, and the topics in this unit are environment and environmental studies, definition, concept, components and importance of environment and environmental studies, ecosystem, structure and functions of ecosystem, food chain, food web and ecological pyramids, biogeochemical cycles in ecosystem, carbon, nitrogen and phosphorus cycle, ecological succession, definition, types, concepts and process, hydrosphere and xerosphere of ecological succession. The second unit in EVS is biodiversity and its conservation. Topics in this unit are definition, concept, levels and values of biodiversity, biodiversity of India, India as a mega diversity nation, hotspots of biodiversity, threats of biodiversity, habitat loss, poaching of wildlife and man-wildlife conflicts, conservation of biodiversity, in situ conservation and ex situ conservation, ecotourism, concept of protected area network with spatial reference to Kishtwar, Dachigam and Hemis National Parks. Third unit in environmental studies is natural resource and their conservation. The topics in this unit are forest resources, uses and overexploitation of forests and consequences of deforestation, water resources, use and consequences of overutilization, concept of rainwater harvesting and watershed management, water conflicts, food resources, sources of food, impacts of modern agriculture on environment, fertilizer, pesticides problems, water lodging and salinity, organic farming, energy resources, renewable and non-renewable energy resources, growing energy needs and alternate energy resources, land resources, global land use patterns, soil erosion, desertification, wasteland reclamation. The pattern of examination for EVS will be like this. Theory question will consist of 3 sections A, B and C. Section A will consist of 3 short answer type questions of 6 marks each, representing all units, at least 1 question from each unit. All questions would be compulsory. Candidate has to restrict the answer in 70 to 80 words. And section B will consist of 3 medium answer type questions of 14 marks each, representing all units, at least 1 question from each unit with internal choice. All questions would be compulsory. Candidate has to restrict the answers in 250 to 300 words. Section C will consist of 3 long answer type questions of 20 marks each, out of which candidates have to attempt only 1. Candidate has to restrict the answers in 500 to 600 words. An internal assessment test of 20 marks would be based on questions from syllabus, 10 marks and 10 marks from internal viva etc. and from field trip visits 10 marks. Books. The students can study from these sources, these books. For more educational, social, political, administrative, economic, cultural, regional and national updates, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest videos from our YouTube channel. Thank you.